Hi. Today, I am very tired again. We went everywhere, my husband and I, so I can get my contents. So the Facebook are happy for me. Right now, we're gonna go to the car. Going back to the car now, guys. Going back to the car now. Kasi si Facebook nagtampo sa akin dahil konti lang ang in-upload ko na nagkasakit ako. Sabi nga ni Jennifer, ay ganun ba yung tita? Bawal magkasakit. You find the car, Han?
Oh, were you recording me?
Did you find the car? Just across on the side. On the other side, Han. Hindi na naman namin makita yung sasakyan. Hinahanap namin yung sasakyan. Yup. Car park na kami. Hinahanap kita. Ay na, saan ka na?